Introducing the WIT Bag by Kalan. Meticulously designed for a refined sense of practicality to empower modern lifestyles. This versatile bag is durable, affordable, and sustainable. Everything you need to do everything you do in style. We searched high and low for the ultimate bag, one that does it all while feeling sleek and chic, but none of them quite made the cut. Oh, we found plenty of messy totes that double as black holes, bulky backpacks that cramp our style, and fragile bag straps that give no support. And we heard from hundreds of you who echoed the same thing. So we listened. We are a collective of change makers going above and beyond to create a better future for the planet, people, and animals. Made with maximum versatility and convertibility in mind, you can wear the WIT Bag in a variety of ways to meet the moment. As a shoulder bag, handbag, backpack, crossbody, and top handle, the elegant and minimal design suits every time, place, and occasion with a simple strap switch. From casual Friday to formal functions, there's an iconic silhouette to elevate every outfit. Choose from structured, slouchy, expanded, or folded. This bag transforms and evolves with you in every way. Got a lot to carry? Our modular inserts act as travel-friendly multitaskers. With a detachable bag insert and laptop sleeve, you can easily switch contents to meet your weekday, weekend, and holiday needs. Enjoy optimal organization at your fingertips with 13 dedicated compartments in our WIT Bag. Grab your laptop, keys, water bottle, wallet, whatever you need to take on the day. We created a laptop bag that doesn't look like one, so you can seamlessly transition after office hours. And we know how much the little things matter. Metal feet elevate your bag, keeping it off the ground. Extra wide straps elegantly distribute the bag's weight, and external slip pockets create immediate accessibility. But the big things matter too. The WIT Bag is sustainably sourced and ethically made. We use cruelty-free cactus leather, a high-performing, lightweight material with the classic look and feel of genuine leather. Sometimes the story you most want to hear hasn't been written yet. After searching far and wide for a bag that does it all, we realized we might have to make it ourselves. So we did. Join us and reimagine your everyday bag.